boys. Well, through the weekend I decided to finally put together my repair bench for doing repairs, projects, little knickknacks and stuff I like to do, with little circuits and whatnot. And this is behind me, to the side of me. This is where I'm going to be spending more of my time in regards to building little projects and doing repairs and stuff. I'm going to get more lighting behind me. I'm going to get in a lamp, and I picked up some LED strip lighting from eBay. I got 16 feet of that coming. It's white, so it's going to be, should brighten it up here pretty good back here. So basically, any projects from the future now you're going to see, basically they're going to be from right here. For the longest time, for the last little while, I've been using basically the other room where my radios are. Keyboard, computer stuff is in the other room there. And basically this is the new area that I'm going to be doing my repairs and whatnot, projects and stuff. So I've still got a few, some test equipment I try to kind of get my hands on, and a hard time trying to locate some stuff. One of which is an RF signal generator that I really like to get my hands on. It could be tube or anything. I don't care if it's a tube. Actually, I like the old tube I had. Tube set I used to have, but anyway, yeah. So an RF signal generator. I got a frequency counter here in line. I got a tone generator right here, Motorola tone generator. I got a watt meter that I picked up off of Peter there the weekend. This is an older one. It's got an antenna tuner. Took like 100 watts or something. Yeah, 100 watts. RF power. Got power supply right here. Solder iron right there. I got this taps right there, 12 volt taps right here. We're plugging the insert plug. I've got me meter, solder sucker. Got me precision screwdrivers over here. I got drill bits over here. I've got spare microphones that I've got kicking around. All along right here is tools, screwdrivers, and pliers, and strippers and stuff. It's all along here. Right here you got little tool kits and stuff. In the top shelf, basically from here to here is just parts. I'm planning on getting some pull-out tray bins basically for this top shelf to go along here. Put like resistors and capacitors and transistors and stuff in along there. That's what I'm planning on doing with that. And a little old laptop Toshiba, little Pentium 1. Use her basically. I'm gonna keep her used there for using for schematics and stuff, so whatnot. But yeah. So like behind the camera here, still a lot of stuff to sort through. But this weekend past, I spent 2 days basically putting this together. And other than the lighting, I think we're good to go here. Regards lighting, I got my lamp in the other room there I can use for now. So other than that, yeah, this here is the repair bench, and this is where we're planning on doing all the repairs and projects and whatnot. This will be here. So I don't know, hope you like what I got done with it. I sent a couple of pictures out to some of the guys there yesterday, and they're giving me the thumbs up on it. So anyways, I'll give you a little tour of what's here and give you an idea of how I got it set. So basically, this is the bench. You'll be seeing a lot more of this soon. We got the shelf, little knickknacks and stuff. This is where I need to put all my test equipment once I get it. I've got to get some. Right now it's quite basic, but I'll make do what I got. I got no choice, but our shelf here with a bit of this and that in it. I've got these little RCA. Everybody likes RCA. Stick on little cups to put stuff on. This is all the screwdrivers, pliers. Basically just a piece of wood with a bunch of holes drilled into it. So that's all the pliers and screwdrivers and whatnot. Just a piece of old board head kicking around and drill a whole pile of holes in it. I managed to stick everything down into it. Obviously some of the holes got to be bigger than others to take the bigger size tools and stuff, but you get the idea. And this thing right here in the middle, this gadget here, we have a project coming up in the very near future. This little gadget. Stay tuned for that one. And then we've got this little test board. Bill let me, I don't know how long ago. A bunch of little toolkits and stuff. A Dremel right there. Weller. And then I've got some of this gear here. MFJ stuff. So basically, yeah, this is how I'm going to have it set up. So I got the little trays and I want to get put up here. Then you get all the parts taken out of these little boxes and stuff and put it in trays. But yeah, that there is the setup. Let's say you'll be seeing a lot more of this very soon. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. And every time we get this show on the road, and just I'll always have this in front to keep everybody all happy right there. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully very soon. All the best, boys. And take care.